Well, hello and welcome to The Elegant Life. This is a place where I share sacred wisdom with you so that you are able to live a life filled with joy and confidence and exquisite fulfillment. So if that is something you are interested in, then please do click the subscribe button so that you never miss an empowering video from me. All right, speaking of empowerment, well, last week's video, I spoke to you about making your only one intention being to take a stand for your happiness. And we went through what that really means. It means committing to this feeling of happiness. And if you haven't watched that, I'll put the link up here and in the description box so that you can go, because that is kind of the precursor to this video. When we speak of happiness, most women are waiting for something outside of themselves to make them feel feelings of happiness. Sometimes we're hoping to have that partner come in our life. Sometimes we're hoping to have that child, to get that job, to make that certain income, to get that award, to have those friendships in our life, to have the body that we feel is our most authentic body. And yet, what you are really seeking is the feeling of happiness. Thinking that that outside thing is going to give it to you. But what so many women, possibly you, have forgotten is that that feeling of joy and happiness is in you right now. It is an attribute of the energy that you are. And so it's always there, ready for you to access it. It's just that we've forgotten it. We've had so many things come in that have blocked it and made us forget that it even exists. And so when we're not feeling happy, we feel this feeling of like a homesickness, but we don't know why. What am I feeling homesickness about? Why is there this empty feeling? You know, so many clients have come to me where they might have achieved things in their life. And well, maybe they do have the child and they have the partner and they have the beautiful home and they have had success in their life. So what is this feeling that something is still missing? And that can feel really scary, yet I'm here to tell you that you're about to embark on the most beautiful path imaginable. If you choose to take my hand right now, I'm going to guide you on the elegant path back home, returning you to that joy within. So let me just reassure you that if you have ever tried to transform your life before and feel like you failed, nothing's changed, I'm not where I feel I should be, then this divine energy within you was the missing link. Your ability to grow and expand your life rests in your ability to tune into this natural inner energy. And this is true whether you want to simply evolve spiritually or whether you have a desire to achieve worldly success in some way. So today, I'm going to take you through one of the very first steps in this whole pathway to coming back home. And that is to identify the feeling for yourself, because nothing I can say can replace the feeling of you actually experiencing it for yourself. Then as time progresses, learning how to tune into it on command, anytime you need it. So what I want you to do right now is to come into a comfortable position. Sit in a chair with your feet on the floor. Sit with your legs crossed in a meditation posture on your bed, on the sofa, on a floor with a meditation cushion under you, whatever feels most comfortable, where your spine is straight so that you can stay alert for this because you want to be very present for the experience of this. Close your eyes, sitting up straight, and just follow along with my words. Just hear them wash over you. You don't need to interact with them, think about them, try to understand them. Just allow my words to guide you and wash over you so that you can have an identifiable experience of this inner divine vibrational frequency. So when you follow this process of coming into harmony with this divine inner resonance, you will notice that you will feel calmer, more joyful, and more confident as a result. And you'll wonder why you've struggled so many years when it's actually so simple to come into resonance with this state. And later, if you choose to, you'll be able to use this state as an inner guide to propel you towards any goal you have for yourself. So let's begin. With your eyes closed, bring in a long, slow inhale until your lungs are fully expanded, and then let out a loud exhale. This is letting out all the negative energy that you may have been holding within you. And then once again, bring in a long, slow inhale. And let out a longer exhale, double the length of your inhale. And one last time, slow inhale. And double the time exhale. And now just rest in stillness. Silence. Allowing your breath to move in and out naturally, establishing its own rhythm. No need to try and change it or make it do something, just allow it to move in and out of your body at its natural rhythm. And notice how you feel. As you breathe in and you breathe out, notice that you don't need to do anything. You just need to be the breath and witness it. In, out, in, out. Simply by tuning into the breath, it automatically slows and relaxes you without you needing to do anything. And eventually, it becomes softer, warmer, and more peaceful. Breathing in, breathing out, in, out. Just recognize that the breath is always available to you. It's always there. And now, move your fingers and your toes. Take a deep breath in. And a big sigh out. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes. So, this was a very short and brief exercise to show you how quickly you can use something that's available to you always to bring you into harmony, to attune you, to align you with this feeling of divine joy, divine peace. So what I'd like you to do now is just recognize what are the attributes of how you were feeling during this. Now, some of you might not have felt it extraordinarily powerfully, and that's okay. This is a process of expansion. If all you experienced right then was a little bit of relaxation and now you feel exceptionally tired, that's okay, that's good. As your body comes back home, it will start entangling with all of the other subtle energies of this energy. It's not just peace. It is peace, wholeness, bliss, joy, vitality, love, kindness, abundance. It is everything. So now you know what your elegant assignment is for this week. Whenever you feel you need to tune into this, just take a few moments. Doesn't have to be as long as I took you through, but simply come to your breath. First off, take that big inhale and strong exhale. Let out whatever you've been holding in, and then tune into that natural rhythm in and out, because that will bring you back to that beautiful peace, that beautiful joy, that beautiful wholeness. Okay? You can do this during the day. You can do this in the morning. You can do this in the evening. You can do it as many times as you want. Anytime you need access to it, it is always there. So I want you to come up with sort of a bit of a ritual. At least once a day, do this until I meet you back here again next Wednesday. All right? And keep a journal. How are you feeling? How is it expanding? How is it deepening? What's coming up for you? And just allow it all. It's all the way it's supposed to be. Divine energy never makes mistakes. Okay? So flow with it. That's what a woman who lives in her feminine energy does. She flows with it and she allows the expansion to happen naturally at divine pace. So on that note, ladies, I wish you an incredible, elegant week, and I'll see you back here next time. Much love and joy to you. See you next time.